Okay, so today's experiment, we're going to need a penny. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this penny and I'm going to wash it and rinse it off. I don't want to use dirty pennies. So I'm going to rinse it and now I'm going to dry it. Okay, and it'll be ready for this experiment. We're gonna need a plate. I'm using this so that we don't spill water on the table, right, kiddo? Mm-hmm. Cup of water, a penny. Here's our eyedropper, and here's our prediction sheet. Okay, so first question is, Ju, I'm gonna put this head side up, okay? I want you to tell me how many drops of water do you think I can put on this penny before it spills onto the plate? What do you think? How many? Is that 3?
Yes.
1? Okay.
One,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What do you think we're at? 17, 18? Oh. So you predicted 3. Wait a second. You predicted 3 for the head sides, right? But now we've turned it to the tail side. How many drops do you think you're going to be able to put on now? What do you think?
4.
You think 4? Well, last time you got 18. So do you want to think about how many drops do you think you're going to put on this side?
So now I'm going to fill it up.
Now you're going to fill it up, and you think 4, right? Is that what you think?
Is it all done?
Okay, now it's all done. All right, go ahead and add them slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Keep going. Didn't spill over yet. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh. How does this work? There are 2 properties at work in this experiment: cohesion and surface tension. Cohesion is the attraction of like molecules to one another. In this case, the like molecules are the H2O molecules in the water drops. Surface tension is a special term we use to describe the cohesion between water molecules. Water's cohesion and surface tension are special because of hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are formed by the hydrogen atoms of one molecule being attracted to the oxygen atoms of another molecule.